Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this consultation series. We're going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks for effectively and properly lighting up your home. If you want to get your free consultation, just shoot me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. Send me a few pictures and we'll give you a video presentation of what lights are going to work best with your property, or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca or go check out all our videos on YouTube. To be using this. It's a new brass wash light from FX Luminaire. Really good quality, really durable, and really well priced for a good brass light. There's a lot of brass lights you can buy on there, but I've just found that a lot of them are very cheap. So I'm glad that FX Luminaire has come out with kind of a new series that fits this need of a really good quality brass light, but at a reasonable cost. So that's what we're going to be using here, and we're going to be using it in a lot of areas like this. So you see this tree behind me is a little bit wider. Just instead of using a typical uplight, this wash light's going to spread that light a little bit wider of an angle and a little bit softer. So we're going to be using it on a lot of trees and shrubs in this property like this, as well as some really nice rock features that they have around the property. So that's where this light is really good for, as well as different stonework. You kind of see the house behind me there. It's got some nice stonework. So that's where we're going to use a light like this, and I recommend in your projects. Anytime you have that, a low-lying shrub or bush, trees like this, some nice stonework, some nice rock faces, it's a really good place to use it. We're also going to be using this in the creek bed, which I'll show you in a bit, which is kind of a cool concept. So here's another example where I'm going to use this wash light. As you see this beautiful rock work behind me, we're going to use this to, again, just put a nice subtle, gentle light on it. That's going to give us a wider beam, so it's going to capture more of this rock, and we're going to get a lot of reflection back down, and we're going to get some, on the nice rhododendrons and different plants that are in here without having to throw a bunch of path lights. It's just, you get some really good reflection off this, so it's another really good use for a wash light. So you can probably see behind me, obviously, the ocean and stuff, but there's also this nice dry creek bed that runs all the way down, and instead of just setting out a bunch of path lights along it that are going to shine down, which is another really good way to do it also, what we're going to be using is we're actually going to be using our wash lights. Because this is a dry creek bed, we're actually going to have the lights down in the bed, kind of just glazing the bottom and the rocks, and all the little stone features. So it's just a different way to light a creek bed. Again, path lights would be a good way to do this if you kind of stagger them around the creek. I just like doing something a little different, so that's the other thing we're going to use this light for. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools of how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.